Do not adjust your television sets, ladies and gentlemen. What you're seeing is not interference. These are the conditions in the UK today. Coming to you live from Marksgate, Romford. My name is that idiot with a beard. Outside is near whiteout conditions, which is going to bring the rest of the UK to a complete halt. We're going to need the army, the navy, the coast guard. The village people are going to need to save us from this one. The airports are closed as we speak. The docks are nearly iced over. I'm safe inside this property where it's near freezing itself as it is now. And my advice to everyone who's out there, do not go outside unless it is absolutely necessary. I've not seen conditions like this in nearly 2 years. Britain is not built to cope with snow of this magnitude. Please, please, please wrap up warm. Keep your pets inside. And as far as everything else goes, send me lots of money. I'm poor. I'm on benefits. I need all the help I can get. Oh. Where's the Thundercats when you need them? Signing out. This is the idiot with a beard. How do you stop this thing?